Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add live wallpaper into your desktop in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. For setting up a live wallpaper into your desktop, you just need to download an app very specifically in a very simple way. So just go to your Google Chrome. You can do it as Microsoft Store, but I will go for this Google Chrome and then going to search for live wallpaper for PC. Click on that, and after that you will get a lots of link, but I will like to go to as soft tonic, so click on that, and then you will get an option called free download, so click on that. After that you will get an option to free download another time, so click on that, and that will redirect you to the lively wallpaper interface. So now what you need to do, you just need to click download, and you will get an option called Windows 64-bit, so click on that. And you can see it started downloading, and it's quite big, like 299 MB. So it will take some seconds to download. Keep patience. So here you can see that the download is completed. And now if we just click on install for me only, click OK, click next, and click on I accept the agreement, and then click next another time, and create a desktop icon or shortcut, click install. And now it's installing, so it will take some seconds. Click yes, and after a very short time the installation will be completed. You can see, click finish, and now it will open into your desktop. And now you can see over here, you can select any of this live wallpaper, like I'm selecting this parallax. And now if I selected it, you can see that this is 3D and live wallpaper into my desktop. You can see, you can choose or customize any of your preferable one. Just completely click on gallery, or you can go from library and click add wallpaper. Click here to choose the file, and you can select any of your preferable live wallpaper into your desktop. So this is how you can set live wallpaper into your Windows or in desktop. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.